umculo bengiwenza lo wesicathamiya ube easy ukuthi ngangena kule genre le cause icishe ihambisana.
And what is this genre called?
It's house. It's
Okay.
house, yeah. It's
All
house.
right.
Yeah.
It is. I can imagine a bit of a change from singing as a group to an individual artist, of course. Following this song, is this song a part of maybe an album, or is it just going as a single as it is?
No, it goes with the EP.
Be out already?
Yes.
And where can people check it out?
When you search in all digital platforms.
All right, interesting one indeed. If in case you just joined us, we are in studio with Ayanda Nxele, who gave us a beautiful song called Standa Sam. The Standwa, who is no longer a part of the picture, but the song is doing quite well, despite the girl being in the part of the picture. You see, now you can still secure the bag while the bag is no longer a part of your picture. Ayanda, if you were to, boost your career, of course, features have the miracle of somewhat putting the level of artistry onto a bigger stage. Who would you like to work with in this music game, especially here in Gauteng?
Yeah, for now, I'll work with the guys who are doing our amapiano, the likes of Porisa, yeah.
So you'd
if
love,
possible.
You'd love to also dab into amapiano.
Yeah, because I like their music. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I can adapt on that.
Interesting one indeed. Ayanda Nxele, it's been such a great time hanging out with you. If people want to follow your career, how do they follow you on social media platforms? And maybe, if they want to book you too.
I'm there on social media platforms. On Facebook, it's Real Ayanda Nxele. Twitter, it's Ayanda Nxele, RSA. And then on Instagram is Nxele53.
Absolutely, you heard those right. Follow him and be in track with his musical journey. Ayanda, such a great time hanging out with you. We hoping to see you grow. Until next time, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, this one is bringing us to 15:46. Just had a chat there with Ayanda Nxele and gave you his beautiful songs Thandwa Sami on Pheli FM 95.0. We are building better communities, so you definitely can also be a part of this lovely moments and have conversations with us here in studio. To find out how, info@phelyfm.co.za. 15:47, I beg your pardon. Good afternoon to you. Yo.
Yo, on air.